Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important science and technology issue that is from India. So, what is that? Once we have to see. Saksham counter unmanned aerial threat grid system. This is a Saksham counter unmanned aerial threat grid system. Our government implemented this one. What is this? You have to see. Indian Army has begun induction of the Saksham counter unmanned aerial system grid and indigenous real-time drone detection and neutralizing the network. This is a real-time drone detection system and neutralization of the network also have this Indian Army began this induction of the Saksham counter unmanned aerial system grid. So, Saksham situational awareness for kinetic, soft and hard kill assets management. What is the Saksham? Situational awareness for kinetic and soft and hard kill assets management is a modular AI driven command and control system. AI driven command and control system designed to detect, track, identify, neutralize hostile drones and unmanned aerial systems in real time. So, there is no pilot, there is nothing is there. So, this is a completely drone capability system. Through cameras we have to detect, we have to track, we have to identify, we have to neutralize the hostiles. This is a very good system for Indian Army. So, developed by the system has been indigenously designed and developed by Bharat Electronics Limited, Ghaziabad in collaboration with Indian Army's Corporation of Air Defence. So, who will design this one and developed? Bharat Electronics Limited, Ghaziabad, Bharat Electronics Limited, Ghaziabad and collaboration with Indian Army's Corporation of Air Defence System, approved for induction under the fast track procurement route for rapid rollout across all fields formations. So, this approved under the fast track procurement route. So, from that this budget is approved to Indian Army. So, the Saksham counter unmanned aerial system grid system has been developed by which organization? Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, not correct. Bharat Electronics Limited, correct. DRDO, not correct. And ISRO also not correct. Like this you may get questions in your competitive examination. Clear? This is very important for competitive examination. So, please remember this Saksham grid system developed by BEL Ghaziabad along with the Indian Army. Clear? So, thank you so much. Please share and subscribe our YouTube channel and like the bell button. We will meet you with another important current affair topic tomorrow. Thank you so much.